before we move, I just wanted you guys to know that I did the steering wheel wrap myself. Yeah. So today we're wrapping the steering wheel. I got some rubbing alcohol and some tissue to clean off the oil that will be produced from hands on the steering wheel. So here goes nothing. So if you haven't noticed, I've done the blue button, the end blue button, and the start stop button. I have taken off the negative terminal at the back of the car, so that there's no current flowing through the car, otherwise the airbag could pop off. To make this very simple, let me just put it on and show you. See there, wiping it down. Yep, that's oil from your hands and dirt, and oil from mechanics' hands as well. So next step, I decided to get the airbag off. Now I'm going to remove this plastic trim right here so that I can wrap the whole steering wheel without anything in my view, basically. This is the airbag though. Had to take off the sockets. These two. Oh yeah, I'm not entirely stuck, but my stitching is rubbish. So I'm about to take this thing off again, like just this portion. And I think I should get the rest. So yeah, I made a whole mess down here, but yeah. It's left with the top. I put the glues and everything I need to put. Now it's time to sew. It's taking me a while. I don't like the ridges here. Here looks more smooth, but I can live with that. So yo, this thing ended up not being in the middle. This is supposed to be like, I'm stressed. I'm done. I do not recommend you do this yourself.